So I'm making some grilled chicken today. I wanted to make some jerk chicken, but my grill, my blender is broken, so I can't blend up the seasoning that I want. So what I'm gonna do is I'm preparing the charcoal. Now if you can see on this side, I got more charcoal than I have on this side right here, and that's because this is gonna be my high side and my low side. And one of the key things in making grilled chicken or jerk chicken is controlling the heat. So we're gonna get into that. So there you go. I got my fire going, almost at 400 degrees. Trying to get all my charcoal to get going. I got the chicken over here, seasoning ready. I got a nice little dry rub on it. You know, I can't really call this jerk chicken because I didn't really get a chance to blend up my own jerk seasoning. I got to use a dry rub today, so you know. Let's go. So right here, I'm gonna make me some sauce, and I'm just making sauce with whatever I can find in the fridge. So I'm gonna mix some ketchup with some barbecue sauce with a little soy sauce and some of this sweet sauce right there. And if needed, I would add some water. Let me see how it looks. Let's go. So let's go in with the barbecue sauce first. Okay, that's enough right there. Now let's go in with the ketchup. And this is just marinade sauce that I'm gonna use in the cooking process. Yeah, that's enough right there. We're gonna go in with some soy sauce. And some of this sweet chili sauce right here. Let's mix it up. Look what I just found. I'm gonna add some of this in here. Add some of that. And I'm gonna show you guys how I'm gonna apply this to the chicken. We're gonna be doing 6 at a time, people. 6 at a time. So let's go. So we're gonna let it cook on one side for about 10 to 12 minutes. Flip it, let it cook, and then we're gonna move it to the low side of the fire. Let it cook nice and slow. So let's go. So now I'm gonna move this chicken on the other side of the grill. and get ready to put the remainder of the chicken over here. Let's go. So this is how we looking so far. This is how we are looking. Let's go. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna apply some of this sauce to the chicken. That's pretty much almost done. So let me apply the sauce. I'll come back and show you. So that's the sauce right there. I'm gonna let it cook for 5 minutes, then I'm gonna flip it and put the sauce on the other side. Let's go. So cooking nice and slow. It's the only way to go. As you can see, we're looking really good over here. Nice and well done. These big pieces, I'm gonna chop them down. I like to chop them down into smaller pieces. So let's go. And there you go, people. We are all done. Hope you enjoyed this little recipe. Remember to subscribe, like, and share this video. Appreciate you guys for watching. Stay tuned for next time.